That's a boy. Oh, Mama, they're fine. Calm down. This is this little girl. DC, get out of there. Go on. Go on. Oh, if I can reach him. Oh, don't worry, Mama. Okay. Solid white, but gray tail, gray ears. This is the girl. Meow, meow. I think it's the girl. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, it's the girl. Oh, you see Mama's getting upset. Okay. This one, it's a boy. Cute little thing. Seems to be kind of quiet. Alrighty. And we have a escape artist, I see. Hey, hey, get down. Come here. Come here. This is the girl. It's a pretty thing, ain't she? She's a sweetheart. Her ears, if I can show you, are kind of gray. And her tail is gray. Oop, that's not a pleasant end. Meow, meow. Aww, cutie cutie. So, put her down. What's this dish? There we go. Those are the babies. DC, get out of the picture. Go on. Go on. Go on. Here you go. That's your girl. Boy, and girl on the bottom. Get off her. Get off of her. Go on, go on, go on. So, we got the black one and the white one are the only girls. The rest of the boys. I think I'm going to keep that one, the white boy. And I think my mother-in-law wants this boy. This one. He's a whiny baby. So, we got 2 girls and 1 boy left.